Hey my friends, we're going to start it off right at the top. All right, welcome to lesson 1. What is day trading? Okay, day trading is basically, you can best explain it that you can buy or purchase a security or paper asset that day and actually sell it off that same exact day. Okay, so you can hold a position in the market for 1 second all the way up to a little bit over 20 hours, right? Or any time in between there. Okay, so you don't have to be at the computer all day. You don't have to stock the market all day. You just want to get that position. You're looking for a certain movement or a certain amount of money, and you exit your position that same day. So let's say you get in position, boom, you hit your financial goal, and then you're out. And no matter if the market go up or it tanks or collapse, anything like that, your money is pretty much safe of the money that you earned that day. Okay, so whereas other people will have to ride that roller coaster. Okay, so that's a little bit different. That's the basis of day trading. All right, so you're just holding your position for that day, and that's it. That's all you're doing in day trading. Okay, and you can find out from me or on some of the videos on the YouTube page, on my YouTube page, where you can actually see that I can be in the market for a matter of minutes, and I actually make between, $300 to $600, $700, even over a little bit over $1,000, right? So it doesn't matter. You don't have to be in the market that long to make profit in day trading. All right. All right, guys. So that's lesson 1. I hope that really helps you understand the world of day trading and kind of understand the benefits of not holding position for a long period of time. All right. Okay, guys. I see you in lesson 2. All right. Bye-bye.